Fergus makes it easy for your team to record and manage hazards on the go directly within every job. Whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop version, Fergus has you covered. Let's walk through how to manage hazards on the Fergus web platform. To start, head to the job card. In the left-hand menu, click Hazards. Here, you'll find several options for managing hazards quickly and effectively. First up, you can mark the job as hazard-free. This simple action lets you confirm the job site is safe and free of any hazards. For jobs with potential risks, you have a few more options. Adding a new hazard. To create a new hazard, click the Add Hazard button in the top right corner. Fill out the details, including the hazard title, description, and any relevant photos. You can also add swims or data sheets if needed. Once everything is complete, click Create to save it. You can also add hazards through hazard templates. If you already have hazard templates set up, you can save time by using these instead. Check out our guide on creating hazard templates through the Fergus Health and Safety section if you need to build these first. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Add Hazard from Template. After selecting a template, its details will automatically populate. You can customize the information, add photos, and click Create when you're done. Now, your hazard is added to the job. At this point, it's ready for the team to mitigate either on-site using the mobile app or back at the office via desktop. To mitigate the hazard on desktop, simply click Mitigate, fill out the necessary details, and save your updates. Lastly, you have the option to send a hazard report. You'll want to wait till you've added all hazards to this job before sending this off. Once ready, click the drop-down menu and select Send Report. This will open a draft email with a PDF hazard report automatically attached. Add the recipient's email address, write your message, attach any photos if needed, and hit send when you're ready. And that's it. You're now equipped to add and mitigate hazards through Fergus Web. For more tips on managing hazards in the Fergus mobile app, check out our related help guide.